Your home is your heaven, and we all deserve a clean home. Cleaning can be tiring and time-consuming, but not if planned smartly. Eureka Forbes Maxx VAC, the smart way to clean your home. India's first revolutionary, compact and bagless vacuum cleaner with cyclonic technology and blower function. The accessories provided for different cleaning needs are easy to use. Press the knob until the hose pipe clicks into position. The extension tube acts as your extended hand, and the floor-cum-carpet brush helps you clean dry dust and waste conveniently. And here begins your power cleaning. The cyclonic technology helps in maintaining powerful suction even when the dust tank is full. The suction power can be adjusted with the sliding control on the angle pipe too. A simple adjustment helps you tackle the stubborn dirt, dust and dust mites on the hard floor. Maxx VAC works perfectly on different types of floorings. The 2-in-1 brush is perfect for cleaning your household artifacts and delicate and electronic items. The brush bristles can be detached, and it can be converted to an upholstery cleaner to clean sofa, mattresses, cushions or the curtains. For hard-to-reach areas, the crevice nozzle is your best cleaning aid. Only Eureka Forbes offers a powerful blower along with the cyclonic technology. You can set the suction power from low or high speed for cleaning multiple surfaces. Maxx VAC comes with an auto cord winder. At just a press of a button, the cord winds on its own. Your bagless vacuum cleaner Maxx VAC gives you the ease to conveniently dispose the debris without dirtying your hands. Open the dust tank lid to remove the HEPA filter to clean it or replace it with a new one. Your Maxx VAC is your smart companion towards powerful and efficient cleaning. No fuss, no dust.